Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically send Google Sheets file as attachment on WhatsApp to new Stripe customer. So basically the idea is that if a person becomes my Stripe customer, the same person will be getting a message from me on his WhatsApp number. And this message will contain the link of the Google Sheet which is present in my Google Drive. Let me show you with an example. So this is my Stripe account and I'm going to add a customer. Okay, so these are the details of the customer. Okay, so we have also entered the phone number. Let me just click on add customer. Okay, so a new customer called as Aaron Manuel has been created. So we also have entered the details such as phone number and of course the email. Okay, so the customer has been added. So basically now the idea is that he will be getting a Google Sheet from me, and this Google Sheet is present in my Google Drive. So this is the Google Sheet. So basically the title is list of products. So these are all the products that is present in my Stripe account, and he will be getting this list. Okay, so let me just straight away take you to the WhatsApp profile of Aaron Manuel. Okay, so yeah, so this is the message Aaron Manuel has received. Hello Aaron Manuel, thanks for joining the team. Here is the list of products, and Aaron Manuel is just going to click on this link, and as you can see the link has been downloaded. Okay, the file has been downloaded and he's just going to explore the link. Okay, so now it is opening as an Excel file. So let us explore. Okay, so we have the same data. Okay, we do have the same data that is present in my Google Sheet. Excellent. So your obvious question is, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Stripe to WhatsApp? So basically here I have used an integration and automation software called as PabliConnect that integrates Stripe, Google Drive and WhatsApp. Now the best part of using PabliConnect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you the process. Now before we begin, there are three things I have to mention. First, we are using Chat API to send the WhatsApp messages. There are other options like Gupshup you can use to send the WhatsApp message. Second, PabliConnect doesn't own Chat API. Third, and perhaps the most important thing, Chat API is definitely not free. So in the new tab, all you have to do is just type pabli.com. Okay, so this is the website of pabli.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the website of PabliConnect. As you can see, I already have made an account in PabliConnect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Stripe, Google Drive and WhatsApp. So let me just click on this button, create workflow. Okay, so when you click on this button, a window appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Stripe to Google Drive. Okay, so why Google Drive? Because the sheet that we want to send is present in my Google Drive. Okay, to WhatsApp. Okay, let me just correct the spelling. Okay, and let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows. The first window is the trigger window and the second window is the action window. Now basically our trigger application is Stripe, because when a customer is made in Stripe, then we will be sending the data. So that is why in the trigger window, we are going to choose app as Stripe. Stripe it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new customer? Okay, so new customer is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new customer is added in Stripe, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we do have a ton of trigger events like new voice, new order, refund, charge, coupon, plan. So all of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more trigger events, all you have to do is go to the help section, click here. So when you click on the help section, you will be straight away directed to Pabli forums, and here you can make a request that you want so and so trigger events. Okay, so let me just cancel this. So basically the essence is we are just first trying to integrate Stripe to PabliConnect. So let me just straight away take you to the Stripe account. So this is the Stripe account, and here in the left tab you will find the option that is developers. Click this. Okay, so as you can see in the developers tab you will find the option that is webhooks. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, I have added a ton of webhooks. Now for your consideration, I'm going to create one more. So let me just click on this button, add endpoint, click this. Okay, so now we have to mention the endpoint URL. So this is your endpoint URL. So you just copy the webhook URL and just paste it here. Easy. Okay. Now we don't have to do anything about the description. Let's leave it as blank. The version will remain same. And now coming to the most important part, the events to send. We want to send the data when a new customer is created. Okay, so I'm just going to add it as customer created. Okay, this one. Okay, and let me just click on add endpoint. Okay, so the endpoint has been created. So basically, this means that we have integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new customer is created in Stripe, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me just have a look. Yes, it is showing it is waiting for the data. Excellent. So how about we do an experiment? We are going to create a dummy customer. So let me just click on customers and let me just add a new customer. Okay, so these are the details of the customer. The full name is Jerry McWare. This is the account email. And let me just add the phone number. Okay, so we have added the phone number. And let me just add customer. Okay, so a customer called as Jerry Maguire has been created. We have also entered his email as well as the phone number. Now, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Stripe, let's have a look. Has Pabbly Connect captured this detail or not? So let's have a look. Yes, the data has been captured. So these are the details. Okay, so let me just scroll down. We have the email, that is jerrymaguire123@gmail.com. The full name is Jerry Maguire, and this is of course his phone number where we will be sending the WhatsApp message. And yes, so we have rest of the details. That's not really important. The most important detail is definitely the full name as well as the phone number. Now we want to send this Google Sheet. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet that I want to send it to Jerry Maguire. Now this Google Sheet is present in my Google Drive. Okay, so this is the sheet that is present in my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. So what I'm going to do here is next is I'm just going to take you to I'm just going to create one more action window. Actually, there is already this action window. In this action window, I am going to mention this as Google Drive, because we are going to make sure that we create a shareable link that we can send it on WhatsApp. Now, the reason we are adding the app as Google Drive here is because this Google Sheet is present in this Google Drive, present in Google Drive. That is why. Now, in the action event, how about we make it as share a file with anyone? This one. And let me just click on connect. So in the Google Drive connection, we have two choices: add new connection, choose existing connection. We are going with new connection, and let me just click on connect with Google Drive. So these are the series of Gmail accounts I have, and out of all these Gmail accounts, this particular Gmail account contains this particular Google Drive. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. Now, before you press allow, let me just tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Authorization successful, just press OK. So as you can see, by default, it is showing a field, that is file ID. And by default, it is showing a field ID, file ID, that is content marketing for SaaS software. Now, content marketing for SaaS software is a file that is present in my Google Drive. Now, these are all the files that is present in my Google Drive. I have a ton of files. We have zip file, we have PNG files, we have slides, we have MP3 files, MP4 files. Now, out of all these files, I want to select this particular file, that is list of products. So let me just make it clear that we want list of products. Okay, so what's next? So basically we want to create a shareable link for this particular Google Sheet. So that is why let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so it is showing this share file can be now shared anyone with the link. Now we do have options regarding the link. Okay, so as you can see, we have the PDF version. So basically, if you want to share it as a PDF version, you can use this link. Now, in case if you want to share it as open XML format, which we are going to do. Okay, so this is the link that we are going to share. And we have CSV version. Okay, so we can share it as CSV. We can share it as zip file. So this is the link to share it as a zip file. Okay, so basically we do have a ton of choices. Now, out of these all choices, I'm planning to send it as open XML format. So this is how you do it. You are going to use Chat API to send the message. Now remember this, Chat API is definitely not free, and Pabbly Connect doesn't own Chat API. So let me just add Chat API to send the WhatsApp message. Okay, so Chat API it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send a link? Okay, now of course you can use the other method, that is send a file, but I'm going to use send a link. I prefer this one, and let me just click on connect. So in the new connection, we have to add the API URL as well as the token. So this is how you get the API URL as well as the token. You go to Chat API. Okay, so this is my Chat API account, and using Chat API, we will be sending the WhatsApp message. So this is your API URL. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here. And then we have to mention the token. So this is the token. I'm just going to copy this. This is the token you want, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the API URL, we have entered the token. Let me just click on save. So when you click on save, you have a series of fields. The purpose of these fields is very simple. We are going to create a message from the data that we have received from our Stripe as well as Google Drive account via Public Connect. Now we have the first field, that is contact/group. Now we want to send the data to a particular person, not to a group. So I'm just going to ignore this field. Now we have to enter the phone number, and this is how you enter the phone number. You click here and you have two accordions, Stripe as well as the Google Drive. Now remember this, we got our phone number from our Stripe account. So this is how you add it. So where is our phone number? Okay, yeah, so this is our phone number and we have added it. Now with regards to the body, this is something you will get from the second accordion concerning Google Drive. Now as I mentioned, I will be sharing the file which is in XML format. So where is it? Yeah, open XML format. I'm going to share it as open XML format. Now we have the third field, that is base64 encoding. So basically I'm just going to copy this code, okay, and I'm going to paste it here. Easy? Okay. Then the title would be something like hello. Let's enter a comma and let's map the full name. I think the full name is Jerry Maguire. Okay, Jerry Maguire. Thanks for becoming my Stripe customer. Please browse through the products in this sheet. Okay, so all you have to do at this point is just click on save and send this request. Okay, so it is showing the message has been sent. So let me just straight away show you the screenshot that Jerry Maguire has received. So basically this is the message that Jerry Maguire has received, and he's going to click on this link and open the Google Sheet file, which will be actually be downloaded as a MS Excel file. Okay, so before you leave, because this workflow is complete, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm just minimizing all my windows one by one. Okay, so I have minimized the trigger window, I have minimized both of my action window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Stripe to Public Connect, and then you have made sure that the file is a shareable one using Google Drive. And then of course you have composed a message and sent a link via Chat API. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Stripe, Google Drive and WhatsApp. Excellent.